gentlemen, each planet in the solar system is a completely different world, with no two alike. Mars, our small neighboring planet, is considered the most suitable place for extraterrestrial life. However, it is much harsher than we think. The surface of Mars is arid, lacking liquid water, air, and has a very thin atmosphere, along with a weak magnetic field. Therefore, the red planet is intensely bombarded by solar and cosmic radiation. If we want to set foot on the red planet, the first thing explorers need to do is find a safe shelter to survive. Recently, after many years of exploration and searching, they have finally discovered a special structure that could become a shelter for future astronauts. These are mysterious pits, possibly gateways to caves deep underground on Mars. Additionally, it is suspected that inside these mysterious pits, there may be the potential for extraterrestrial life. So, what is the truth behind this story? Let's explore together. For many years, Mars has remained the primary target in humanity's mission to conquer and explore the universe. Humans have launched dozens of spacecraft to Mars, including some that orbit and others that land on the surface. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, has been operating in Mars orbit since 2006. As of June 20, 2024, MRO has been operating for 18 years, 3 months, and 10 days in the planet's orbit. It has become the third longest operating spacecraft on Mars, only behind the 2001 Mars Odyssey and Mars Express. MRO's goals are to search for water on Mars, investigate its climate, unique geological features, and provide reconnaissance information on landing sites for spacecraft, while also relaying data from ground missions on Mars back to Earth. As of July 2023, MRO has sent back to Earth a massive amount of data, approximately 450 terabits. Each year, MRO takes about 29,000 images of the Martian surface. The actual images from MRO have greatly assisted researchers in their exploration and study of the planet. It has brought many valuable discoveries, including findings of water ice in craters and evidence of past flowing water on the surface, helping scientists choose safe landing sites for many surface landers. Recently, from MRO images of a specific area on Mars, a major secret beneath the ground has been revealed. This is an image taken by MRO's high-resolution camera. The image was captured on August 15, 2022. When this photo was taken, the spacecraft was about 256 kilometers above the Martian surface. Upon close observation of the image, you can see a cylindrical black pit located on the flank of an ancient volcano. The mountain is named Arsia Mons, part of the famous Tharsis region on Mars. Tharsis Mons is home to many giant volcanoes situated in a vast plain near Mars' equator. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is also located in this area. Additionally, there are 3 sister volcanoes, including Ascraeus Mons, Arsia Mons, and Favonus Mons. The black pit was discovered on the volcano Arsia Mons. Moreover, on the flank of Favonus Mons, MRO also found similar pits. They are all cylindrical, vertical, and extremely peculiar. These mysterious deep pits frequently appear around the giant volcanoes. This has left scientists both excited and puzzled. They do not know how they formed or what lies hidden beneath those dark pits. And an investigation into these mysterious pits began. After 2 years of research, scientists are now extremely excited to unravel the mystery inside these dark depths. The pits on Arsia Mons and Favonus Mons had diameters ranging from about 35 meters to 45 meters. They formed on the flow of solidified lava and are vertically cylindrical. Upon deeper research, scientists believe that beneath the pit openings lies a cave about 20 meters deep. Before collapsing and being filled, it could have been as deep as 90 meters. This is completely surprising and exciting information. Researchers suspect that these large holes may be related to volcanic activity on Mars millions of years ago. When volcanoes erupted, lava channels could flow out from the volcano's interior. When the volcano became extinct, the drain channel left behind a long lava tube. We have encountered such tubes, not only on Mars but also on the Moon and Earth. Sometimes, if the crust is thin enough, the surface of these tubes collapses. If the collapse occurs along the entire length of the tube, it forms a feature called a rill. These are long grooves commonly seen on the Moon, and sometimes they are detected in other areas of Mars. However, if the lava tube openings collapse in small areas, we see depressions, similar to the depressions made by mice on Arsia Mons. This is a series of pits discovered by the Mars X Breath mission located on the southwestern slope of the Arsia Mons volcano. As you can see, a series of closely spaced pits running along the length of the lava tube creates an extremely unique sight. Pits and caves on the Moon and Mars always receive special attention, because they could be safe shelters for future astronauts. Mars has a thin atmosphere and no magnetic field to deflect solar radiation. Therefore, it is not as protected as Earth. The level of radiation exposure on Mars is about 40 to 50 times higher than on Earth. When humans are exposed to high-energy cosmic rays, it can cause long-term health problems, such as cataracts, heart disease, cancer, genetic damage, and death. This is extremely dangerous for astronauts' health. So pits, especially deep underground caves, could provide safe shelter for the crew. Additionally, thinking more positively, it's very possible that ancient life on Mars is being protected under such tubes. However, currently, everything is still just speculation. We need specific answers when future missions actually go down and explore these pit openings. With rovers, they might only be able to drive to the edge of the pit and cannot go deep down. But if there were a mini helicopter, it could fly down and survey the situation. That's unfortunate that NASA, after its rotor was damaged during a flight in January 2024. Otherwise, it would have been able to fly down and check what's inside the pit. If these pits open into cave entrances, they could become preferred landing sites for future crewed missions to Mars. Although it has been operating in Mars orbit for over 18 years, the imaging equipment on MRO still works very well. The spacecraft continues to scout and is a reliable guide for many missions, such as the Phoenix lander in 2008, Curiosity in 2012, or the Perseverance rover in 2021. Nothing on Mars can escape MRO's notice, because it is equipped with 3 cameras, 2 spectrometers, and an orbital radar. Not only the MRO orbiter, currently Curiosity and Perseverance are also actively exploring Mars more directly, by surveying from the surface of a red planet. In April 2024, NASA stated that their Curiosity rover had detected a type of gas, which is methane on Mars. This gas is typically produced by living microorganisms on Earth. This has left scientists once again puzzled about what is hidden here. The Curiosity rover detected methane from Gale Crater, appearing at different times of the day and fluctuating seasonally. Sometimes it is 40 times higher than normal. While NASA has not found any life on the surface of Mars yet, many believe that methane originates from deep within the planet's interior. It might be trapped under frozen salt layers and only escapes when the planet's temperature rises. or when Curiosity rolls over the crust and cracks it, releasing methane gas. As for the Perseverance rover, it continues diligently exploring the Jezero crater area. On May 27, 2024, it captured an image of an extremely strange rock. The bright white rock stands out compared to the surrounding rocks. The rock is 45 centimeters wide, 35 centimeters tall, and has a bright color. NASA had never seen such a rock before. Using the rover's SuperCam and MastCam Z imaging equipment, scientists confirmed that the rock is made of pyroxene and feldspar. The research team speculates that this bright-colored rock might have been transported here from somewhere else on the planet via an ancient river, or it was formed underground from a magma mass before being exposed on the surface due to erosion. The journey of Mars exploration rovers will uncover even more strange and interesting things. So don't forget to subscribe to RP Odyssey channel to discover more fascinating stories about the Red Planet, as well as about our universe. At this point, part 2 this video will temporarily pause. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next videos. With warm regards, goodbye.